Hey guys, today we're back at the workbench for a DIY basics video. Today we're going to talk about AOE, or angle of engagement correction, on Airsoft AEGs. So you may be wondering, what is angle of engagement? Well, angle of engagement is the angle at which the sector gear engages the pickup tooth on an AEG's piston. Over here we have a diagram of what a stock AEG's piston assembly looks like. As you can see, the sector gear engages the piston pickup tooth at approximately 2 o'clock. This causes an angle at which a force in the Y direction is exerted and a force in the X direction. To cycle the AEG, all that is needed is the force in this X direction, and the force in the Y direction often causes piston pickup tooth blowouts in higher speed setups. Having the AOE non-corrected is okay in stock setups, but once you get to higher feet per second and higher rounds per second, it is a necessity to fix this problem. So what you need to do first to correct AOE is to take a steel mill file, I like a 10-inch mill file, and the desired piston that you want to correct angle of engagement on. And with that file, you need to shave down the first tooth after the pickup tooth and half of the second tooth after the pickup tooth. As you can see, for higher speed setups, you're going to want to erase that whole second tooth after the pickup tooth to eliminate any pre-engagement issues with the sector gear. After you have that finished, you're going to want to either take washers from your nearest Home Depot store or Lowe's and put them behind the piston head to move your piston back, or the preferable choice, take sorbo pads and put them behind your cylinder head to move the piston back. Another good point of doing this is it will reduce wear on your gearbox shell at higher feet per second setups and round per second setups. Okay, next, this is what your angle of engagement should look like after you correct it. As you can see, the sector gear engages the piston at approximately 12 o'clock, and all of the force is exerted in the X direction, meaning that there's less piston pickup tooth blowouts and more efficiency in the system at pulling the spring back. Another plus side to this is, like I said, increase in gearbox durability as far as the shell goes because of the sorbo on the cylinder head. And one con, however, to this is you will lose some compression due to the movement back of the piston, but it will only take away approximately 10 to 15 feet per second depending on your setup. So the pros heavily outweigh the cons. And that is how you correct the angle of engagement in your AEG. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Signing off.